everyone. Do you need an idea for a quick, healthy, and easy meal for dinner tonight? I'm going to show you how to make an entire meal in about 30 minutes or less. And I'm only going to use one skillet, a microwave-safe bowl, so cleanup is going to be super easy. I'm making meatball stroganoff using ingredients you may already have on hand. The vegetable for today is yellow squash, and I'm going to prepare it in the microwave. So let's get started. First, heat some cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Then add the frozen meatballs. I'm using turkey meatballs because they are lower in saturated fat than the home style or the Italian style ones. Cook them until they're nice and brown. Once they've browned, let's set them aside for later. In the same skillet, saute some finely chopped onions and bell peppers until they're soft. And once they look like this, add your meatballs back to the pan. Add in a can of the low sodium or healthy cream of mushroom soup, the skim milk, unsalted beef broth, no salt Creole seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and some uncooked egg noodles. Give it a good stir and let it come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and cook until the noodles are tender, about 10 minutes. Stir every now and then so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the noodles are cooked, stir in some sour cream and remove it from the heat. Now for the microwave yellow squash. You can use zucchini if you prefer. Always wash your vegetables under cool running water before cutting or peeling them. Cut the ends off and slice each one in half lengthwise. Drizzle a little olive oil, sprinkle with a pinch of salt, some no salt Creole seasoning, and sprinkle with a little Parmesan cheese. Add a little water to cover the bottom of the pan. Cover the top with plastic wrap. Microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the strength of your microwave. Once they are fork tender, then you're done. And there you have it. One skillet meatball stroganoff with microwave yellow squash that is delicious and easy to make. Serve with a side of fruit to make this a balanced meal. Today we're having kiwi, which pairs well with the savory stroganoff. If there are any leftovers, save them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The meatball stroganoff will keep for up to 4 days, and the squash will last 3 to 5 days in the fridge. The recipes for one skillet meatball stroganoff with microwave yellow squash can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.